G'day y'all, welcome back to the channel. Chase is outside helping me. We're putting some new wood shavings down, so I got these big bags of wood shavings. I got 27 of them. And the ducks are going to appreciate it. Chase is going to pick up some eggs. There's lots of eggs over here in the basket, he said. Let me see. Oh, she's laying on some, I see. That's okay, she's keeping them warm.
Yeah.
They love the fresh wood shavings. They're going to be playing it soon. This is what makes my compost really good. Do layers of wood shavings over top of the manure. And there's Huey over there. Hey, buddy.
22.
How many?
22.
22 in there?
Yeah.
There's probably a bunch up in the corner over here.
There's a few that are cracked though. They're still in the basket.
Yeah, we got a bunch. Let me turn the light on for everyone. Holy smokes.
Oh, what? I can't reach her.
All right. No. All right. So we got some broken ones, but let's see. So we got 3 broken ones there. Are they really broken, or are they just? Oh no. There's 3 down.
Oh, that one just pooped.
There's a good one, and that one's not good. Don't peck at them. I kind of stopped counting my eggs. It's like the first month in like what 4 years, 3 years, 3 years that I haven't counted my eggs. Well, one was already eating that one.
Uh-oh, that's
Don't drop the eggs, Chase. These ones are all broken. So all the broken ones are no good for nothing anyway. You just kind of give them back to the birds. Don't peck at them.
good for them though to eat the eggs. Some will go for the legs.
Some of the ones that are really hard, Chase, you can step on them.
Egg pancakes.
There, they'll pick them apart. There, look at that yolky one. All right, go find the rest of the eggs now.
Like an Easter egg hunt. You already probably know where that is.
Yeah, every time you come in there, I hope that one poops on your head.
Hello. Hey. Hi, Charlie.
Is there any over here in this corner? Oh, I got a couple.
Actually, I remember you telling me where there was a bunch here.
Yeah, they moved though. There's another one over on the other side, I see. Both of these are cracked. I don't know how many eggs that is I lost, but whatever. They enjoy them. Look at them all. They're having a great old time. Come on down. What's the matter? Hey, my Brahma girl. Hey? You're a little cleaner than the other one. He's hiding in the nesting box. Oh, lucky. So we're having a big snowstorm tonight. Well, I say big snowstorm. They're making it out to be bigger than it actually is, but shouldn't be too bad of a storm. But we'll be traveling down with the kids tomorrow in the snow, so. Come on, move. Huh? Didn't find any.
No.
Really?
I checked the top of the bucket lid thing in here, and there's not enough.
None over there where the ducks lay?
No,
Well, whatever. They laid a lot in the nesting box. What?
there's egg inside of there. In this thing.
There's an egg in it. Oh, yeah. How the heck did he get in there?
Maybe jumped over top.
I know, but how? I find they're funny sometimes. Like, how would the bird, like, get, I mean, obviously that's open, but how the heck did he get in there?
How are we supposed to get the egg out?
And look, there's poop there too. Well, you get the egg out by opening the door, silly.
I didn't think the door opened because the wire was there.
It's not broke.
Right.
Cool. I have no idea how she got in there though. Couldn't have jumped from the floor. There's no way. Anyway, I feel a little bit better, but I want to take this. There's still no duck eggs. I want to take this all down. We don't need to have that segregated. I mean, it's good to have it segregated if you want to put something in here in the summertime, because that's why I put the feeder.
Rabbits.
Well, rabbits, I'm thinking, you know, this would make a little rabbit hutch, and we could put, like, you know, you could put rabbits on this side, but the ducks are nice, but they're just too dirty. I mean, it was just like a learning curve with the turkeys, right? All right, well, if there's no eggs over here, that's all we got, I guess. I don't know, I feel there's none up here. You looked?
Yeah, I looked. You double check.
Yes, you know why? Because I moved their nesting box all around, and they haven't laid in there since.
Not in there.
Weird, eh? I messed up their. But you know what? They're gonna end up finding a new laying spot, and they're gonna. And I don't know where it is right now. Anyway, I gotta look everywhere. You never know where they're gonna live.
Like in there.
Well, they love the wood shavings. They're all nice and happy. Look at them. There's some new shavings for the girls. So we got a construction bag. Well, the guy wanted $8 a bag, and I ended up paying 8 times 17 because I originally wanted 17 bags, and we ended up getting like 27 bags. So he gave us 10 extra bags for free. So that made the cost go down to, look at, they're eating that damn plastic stuff. So let them go up. Freaking ducks. You know what? Not to say anything bad about ducks, because out of all the ducks I had, I never lost one duck. All right. All right, y'all. This is what we got for snow. Like I said, tonight we're supposed to get some more, and tomorrow. So stay tuned. We'll take another video tomorrow. All right. Peace out. Love y'all.